Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you guys just some random videos from my quarantine period of going to UK. This was about a few weeks ago at this point when I'm recording this. So yeah, I've been busy, so videos are quite delayed. So a lot of these videos are like from 2 weeks past or 3 weeks past at this point. But there's still videos, there's still vlogs, and yeah, you guys enjoy them. Don't know if they're a bit old. So this is random stuff during quarantine in the UK. Hope you guys enjoy. And this is a room.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that's nice actually.
Yeah, it looks great. Get out.
Oh gosh, look at this place.
Now we're gonna make it. Get out.
What?
No, I felt the frame. Oh my god.
Oh gosh.
Mattress ain't that good. I was surprised.
Got a lot of things to tidy up first. Okay, it's now 7:12.
7:12.
Alright, shut that Ian. Alright. I'm sorry. Okay, so the room so far. Yeah.
Also, that's what it means. There's a lot to unpack here. You know when therapists say that?
Yeah, basically.
Okay.
So first, yeah, we're gonna clean table up first. So just give me like maybe 2 minutes. It was never cleaned. This is a professional Dutch food review. No, it's sinking. It's sinking. It works.
Fair enough.
Yay!
Right, so today me and my nakama gonna review some Dutch food.
Is it Dutch food?
It says Amsterdam. At least it's made in
Yeah, doesn't mean it's made in Netherlands.
Is it no?
Alright.
It's made in Holland. Holland is Netherlands, right?
Yep, okay. So first, what's this? Amsterdam, how do you pronounce this?
Cookies, I guess, usually. A building?
This is a building, that's another building.
Square building, I
Alright,
guess?
tap it out.
Cheers.
Oh no, you said these were the Tiger biscuits. I think these are way better than Tiger biscuits.
Like I said, my taste buds aren't that good. Yeah, I like it.
Stoop waffles, yes. A proper
This one's very good.
in Netherlands, and I just ripped it open. Yay. There it is here. They're basically waffles, right? But hardened, and then there's like caramel in between them. Oh wow.
It's soft.
Okay, first one. What do you think about the Amsterdam cookies?
I'll give it 7. I'll give it 7.
I will give it an 8. This?
I'll give it 10. I love this one.
Oh, I'll give it 11 then. Morning review! Yeah, so this is after number 2 here. This is the entrance to the rooms. The masuk sini, here we go. Lampu automatic. Hebat gak. We go for here. And here 301. And our room's here 302. And next our room is a public toilet basically. And the public toilet we have looks quite clean actually. We have a toilet, no bidets, no tak ada yang bersih tu, so kena pandai-pandai bersih. Ada sinki sini. There's a shower over here. After the toilet here, we have the kitchen. Yeah, there's like more bathrooms and kitchens down there. Tapi this is one of our kitchens here. Okay, gotta use a key. Scan it here. There you go. Automatic lights, yep. So you got toaster, you got your hot water heater, you got a nice sink, a microwave down there. Sekarang sejuk sekarang ni pagi. It's really cold. Your stoves, and even 2 big fridges. This one kitchen, by the way, still quite empty because you know everyone's still getting in. Oh, there's already milk and everything here. Wow, not bad at all. It's quite massive. It really is quite massive, not gonna lie. Alright, shut up. Let's get started. Okay, COVID test unboxing time. Okay, so one box will contain instructions, a box to send them your test results, a security seal, I guess, to secure the box, your swab for testing, your container for containing the swab, and another plastic bag to put the swab test in to be safe, I guess. Okay, first, tonsils. Based on my test kit, got it 4 times on the right, 4 times on the left tonsil. So, it's gonna be dangerous.
Just 5.
Next, take the same swab and put it in your nose. Oh gosh, I'm scared.
Gambar angle kepala. Kau punya kena angle tak?
Angle? Oh yeah.
70 atas ke atas. Okay, ya.
Okay, swab test done. Let's put it in the tube. Test kit here. Put it in the test kit. This will be much easier with 2 hands. There's liquid in there, so be careful. Be careful, be extra careful. And I'll break it off. Break off the top part like this. Just make sure the swab's inside. Alright, good. Liquid's inside, swab's inside. Now just get the lid. And close it off. Really professional one-handed. Oh. And there we did it. Yay. Okay, next we take the bag. Okay, this is tape, I think. Yeah, here we go. Okay. Something like this should suffice. Now it's got the box, got some in the box. It's quite straightforward actually. Like this, I assume. It's quite big though. So do we fold it a bit? Hold on. Like this. This will be fine. Right? Like something. Then you take off carefully. Like so. This should be it. Like this, maybe I put it a bit wrong, but as long as it's secure, it should be fine.
No, don't throw it out.
Ooh, that did sound nice. Alright, so what are we cooking today?
We're gonna make pasta.
Yeah, we got rice cooker pasta. Hopefully this works.
Yeah, you just better hope it works.
We're gonna cook some tomato sauce with chicken, which is currently frosting.
We totally forgot to defrost. Damn it.
Good, good, good.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Look at this.
Oh.
And here we have our tomato sauce.
Tomato soup, you mean?
Shut up. Don't tell them that. It was a mistake. Here we are, two singles eating some weird pasta in the morning.
Yeah, I hope it tastes good.
Yeah, hopefully. And here we have a mother posting a box.
Yeah, I want to post a picture of me posting the pasta, get it? Are we done?
Yeah, we're done. Lidl.
Yeah.
So you want that?
Yeah, sleeveless windbreaker. I want to look like a local.
No, fair. We also got these. Look at these.
Yeah.
Looking at the price, it is quite cheap. Well, in UK money, wise, kalau duduk Malaysia mahal gaan ni sebenarnya. Harga biasa lah, but look at all the choices though. The donuts, ada don't know what these are called. Ada roti, berlambat-lambat roti. So yeah. Oh, memang kenyang kat UK ni. Have you found what you wanted yet?
No, I'm thinking of this one because this looks the best.
Okay.
But do you think this is supposed to be the same thing? It looks very, very different. The same hotness. I can't see the difference, honestly. The ingredients are the same.
Huh.
So one of these are totally turned. One of these are totally turned. Let me see.
So I have about 50 pence, 50 cents in my hand, and I think I'll get this.
Yeah, that should be fine, no worries.
And here's the main attraction.
Alright, let's find the cheapest. And the
Which one you want?
cheapest one, I don't care.
Well, the big ones are probably the cheaper ones.
Yeah.
So what's your haul today?
I got chips and some peri peri sauce.
Yeah, and I got this apple pie. Let's go pay for it.
To left. It's good.
What about these? When we went to Poundland. Wanna try it?
Yeah, it's soft cookies.
Alright.
Won't be bad, I think.
Let's open it up. Yeah. This is one problem with UK. Too many snacks. Kalau pergi UK, mu kena jaga duit lah.
Let's look at that.
Look, yeah, it's what bought just now, yeah.
Oh.
Tip, main tip, save your money.
Yeah.
Don't be too
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
don't be tempted by all these
Oh,
good
it's not
stuff.
soft cookie.
It's not soft cookie.
What prank?
Really? But how does it taste though?
Good.
Let's see.
Got chocolate.
Mmm.
No, you can see the difference. It isn't a stick. There's the picture, but see that?
We also bought these Jaffa cakes.
We just hope it's not moldy.
Shut up. Shut up. Okay, pick it up.
It's not sour. There's something.
Shut up. If you're going to UK, these are the best snacks you can ever buy, without a doubt, right?
No, I doubt it.
No, these are the best, without question.
No, I question it.
So that's pretty much it for today's video. Not too much outdoor stuff just yet, just because I recorded that video during quarantine. But the next videos will definitely explore more of Glasgow, more of the uni, and just more of the whole city in general. So yeah, hope you guys subscribe for more of that kind of stuff. And yeah, see you guys later.